out about complexity is that it shows how things are not always easy to understand because many parts work together. Life, people, and situations can be complex because they are made up of different pieces that affect each other. Complexity reminds us that not everything has a simple answer. Sometimes, we need patience and understanding to see how everything connects. It teaches us that behind something complicated, there is often a deeper meaning or purpose that makes it unique and interesting. And what is complexity? Complexity refers to the number of factors that we need to consider, their variety, and the relationship between them. The more factors, the greater their variety, and the more they are interconnected, the more complex environment is. Complexity is refers to the state of being intricate or composed of many interconnected parts that make something difficult to understand or explain. It exists when different elements work together in ways that produce unpredictable or complicated results. In a complex system, each part may seem simple on its own, but their interactions create outcomes that are hard to predict or control. For example, the human brain is complex because billions of neurons communicate to create thoughts, emotions, and memories. Similarly, society is complex since it involves millions of people with different beliefs, cultures, and goals that constantly influence one another. The environment is another example. Plants, animals, and humans depend on each other, so changing one part can affect the entire ecosystem. Even technology shows complexity, as computers, the internet, and artificial intelligence involves numerous components that must work together seamlessly. Complexity is not just about having many parts. It is about how those parts are connected and how changes in one area can affect others. While complexity can make things confusing or hard to manage, it also allows for creativity, growth, and adaptability. In short, complexity means there are many interacting pieces that create richness and depth but also challenge our ability to fully understand or predict what will happen. In simple terms, complexity is when something is not simple. It has many layers, steps, or relationships that make it difficult to figure out. And for another example is in science, complexity can describe systems like the human brain or weather. Both have many parts interacting in unpredictable ways. And in life, a relationship or situation can be complex if it involves many emotions or problems. And in math or computers, a, a problem is complex if it takes a lot of steps or time to solve.